I've lived and breathed manufacturing for more than 30 years and worked across many industries. The way I've worked with ventures in the program is to connect them with my networks, which I've developed over many years through a range of industries. I also have a lot of expertise in government policy and regulations, so I can also help them understand the operating environment that their businesses will be working in. I'm really interested in some of the interpersonal skills that the ventures have. So it's really important to be a good relationship builder, because it's going to be really important when you're trying to build trust in the investor community. It's really important to have a strategic mindset. We really need them to look at what matters now. I think also the fact that it is over several months, we actually get to see the ventures develop and take that feedback and see what they do with it.